Okay, we just pulled up. Look how crowded this is. This Popeyes has never been this crowded.
Oh my god. So we literally just pulled up. Okay, so we live in the South. We live in Alabama. And we just pulled up to Popeyes. We've never been here. Tell me why they got Popeyes line wrapped around twice.
Bruh,
I can't even get out. Like, go that way.
I've never seen Popeyes this full.
Yeah.
Like, and I've passed by this like 10 million times.
No.
This is my application with Popeyes though. Yeah, like you got bang.
Outside of Popeyes, like.
This is Alabama, so like we're like, what? Y'all know about this?
Yeah.
Because like
that never happens.
Yeah, I'm
like,
sorry.
let's be
but,
straight
like,
at. Like,
don't get offended, but like, it was not the move.
Yeah, they didn't. Don't move here. Don't move here. Run.
We had to come back because apparently it's closed.
They said a lot of people shut down. I was like, damn. Twitter just. So we're here.
Yeah, we're seniors and we got early out, and yeah, we out now. We want to know what's the tea. We want to know what's the
So we've seen on Twitter that.
Oh y'all be thirsty about this Popeyes chicken sandwich.
We were like, let's try it.
Yeah.
Because, we broke. Might as well just be more broke.
So we're heading to our nearest
Popeyes.
Come on.
I've never been to Popeyes, so I don't know. Have you?
Never been, but she told me that there was like a worm thing.
Insert video here. I'm just kidding. No, if you want to look at their scandals, just search it up on Google. It's like them finding like worms in their meat, and I'm like,
But we're gonna go.
I've never been, and it's only in the South. Sorry, LA.
Wait, there's nobody else.
Anyway, we're gonna try their new chicken. They want to cancel Chick-fil-A, and I'm like, I don't know about that one.
Their sauces are really good, and their chicken's good.
We look cute though. We look cute. Everyone's still in school. Haha, losers. So I got this new pimple right here. Her name's Karen, and beside her is Talisha. So far,
we're in the line.
Bruh, why are we always gonna say the same thing though?
Yeah, we're wrapped to once now. Should be trash and like we did this for nothing.
Right. This is what it looks like so far. People are still entering. There was a whole trash man.
And they closed the inside.
Out of order. My skin kind of looks clear.
I know. Why does it?
I'm just Popeyes. What are you ready?
I can't.
What are you ready?
Come on. So we're this close to getting our food. Screenshot. Hey, y'all tell me though, how would I look like with a nose piercing? Like, would I look cute? Like, how I look like?
So after 30 minutes,
Like an hour basically,
Yeah.
because we got it at 1.
Yeah.
We are back at school because we're gonna go back. We have to for a little bit.
Yeah.
But we went to Louisiana Kitchen Popeyes.
and it's so big. Like my hand's big, but
It's like kind of like the Chick-fil-A one, but bigger.
Like look, it's so big.
It
Okay.
smells so delicious. Oh my god.
Let's take it out.
So this is. What's yours look
They
like?
even got like a little.
Wow, that looks so pretty.
I'm over here like wow.
Wow.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Okay, so
Okay.
it has mayo,
Pickles,
oh, my mouth's watering.
and that's it. I know. Ready?
Okay,
Set,
ready,
go.
guys? It's not bad.
No, it's really good. It's like really crunchy, and I like that. I mean, I kind of see the height, but like. I don't
Not
know.
really?
Yeah, not really. You can have that shit on your ass.
It's good. I recommend it. Okay, so we both got different things. She got mac and cheese, and I got mashed potatoes, but like the gravy is like spicy.
Ready? It's alright. It's like kind of salty though, but it's pretty good.
tastes like mashed potato with a little bit of spiciness. Oh shit! Right? It's good though.
It's not bad. Like, it's like really like flavory. I like it.
That's good. Or like, this isn't bad. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go off Popeyes.
Oh, and the SAT is not that good.
It's not
And
good.
I'll know because I've tried millions of sweet things. Okay, so we're about to go back into school. So Chick-fil-A is the OG. I can't give up on her. I'm sorry. But like, this isn't bad. Like if you want to try this like that.
What about you?
Like it's like let's see, it's better than KFC.
I think I like this better. No cap.
Really?
I just like Chick-fil-A sauces. Yeah.
Made with ice. Because look how they bread it.
That's like so good. Like that's
Oh,
like
yeah.
the best part. Like for me, that's probably the best part than chicken because I don't really like meat.
I like Popeyes better, brother. No.
Bye.